An extreme ice age today would threaten everything. Gale-force winds would rip apart forests, glaciers would bury skyscrapers, and billions of people would freeze in minutes. Would starving countries destroy each other for food? Or could giant underground farms feed us forever? With infinite dangers ahead, could humanity survive an ice age apocalypse? Life has endured many ice ages. Our ancestors even hunted woolly mammoths for warm shelter. But none were as extreme as the Cryogenian Ice Age, which started with a supervolcano eruption and ended in an Earth covered entirely in ice. You would feel chilled to the bone with temperatures 50 degrees below freezing, and unstable with glaciers thousands of meters tall, constantly moving. Winds that travel hundreds of kilometers per hour would blow blizzards and whiteouts so severe that you go blind. How much time do we have to prepare against this deadly deep freeze? Luckily, ice ages form over thousands of years, where snow and ice accumulate by reflecting the sun's energy into space. However, if Earth's orbit moved away from the sun, an ice age apocalypse would strike in only a few decades. Expanding ice sheets would quickly overwhelm much of Europe, Asia, and North America, crippling city infrastructure, killing agriculture, and forcing hundreds of millions of refugees to flee south. Emergency shelters may provide relief from the cold, but with so many people and so few rooms, most would die from hypothermia within minutes. Even if you did get in, meals would be strictly rationed and diseases could rapidly spread in the overcrowded space. But desperation really sets in when food, medicine, and energy run out. A famine would starve billions to death, and food riots would grow uncontrollably violent. Economies would crash, and powerful nations would invade weaker countries over scraps, using military forces and tactics adapted to Arctic warfare. South Africa's Garden of Eden, the Cape Floral region, would be a prime target for its diverse plants and shellfish, which can survive the dry conditions of an early ice age. But the ice will arrive here too, and human civilization will eventually collapse. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content that gives you infinite wonder. We may be nearing extinction on the surface, but deep beneath the ice, hope survives in underwater volcanic vents. Geothermal energy captured here can power underground hydroponic farms that grow food from the Svalbard Global Seed Vault, a bank of over 600 million seeds stored deep in the mountain. You could enjoy strawberries while relaxing around glowing plants that light up large rooms using renewable chemical energy. In case diseases spread through these farms, labs can synthesize protein-rich food by feeding natural gas to methane-digesting bacteria. Energy and food may be taken care of, but doctors, teachers, artists, and guards still need to maintain society for a long time. Repopulating our species would take thousands of generations if we started with at least 500 people to maintain genetic diversity. And anything can happen until then. Technology may fail, and people may rebel, but new solutions can always be discovered. The surface may remain inhospitable for millions of years, but if we adapt like our cave-dwelling ancestors, life underground can still evoke infinite wonder. Do you think you could live in an underground society? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.